DMT is based on a germanium-fitted special booster from the late 60s. Here is a copy of this circuit, but with a nice addition of a very versatile Frankenstein tone control system. For the treble and mid-tone control, the circuit of the almost forgotten Apollo booster is used, while for the bass tone control, the circuit of a modified Vox booster will comfort your ears. In comparison to the technical familiar but more gently sounding ambassador treble and mid-range booster, the DMT produces a harder sound without getting shrill. It fits perfectly the classic beat and rock sound, but is also a good mate for funky or country rock music. The DMT is loaded with original West European NOS 60s germanium transistors. Almost all British rock guitarists using single-coil pickup guitars used some type of germanium booster from the late 60s to the mid-70s. By the end of the 70s, these boosters were replaced by a new circuit from Japan, the so-called Tube Screamer and other similar overdrive circuits. These were based on the older boosters and therefore had a very similar frequency response. The germanium boosters, on the other hand, sadly fell into oblivion despite their unique and inimitable sound. Let's listen to some sound samples.